Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and simple process of sharing a followed list via direct message on the X app. If you've ever come across a great list filled with valuable posts and thought it might be useful to send it directly to a friend, this updated guide will show you exactly how. First, open up the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, because you'll need access to your lists to complete this process. Once the app is open, head straight over to the main menu. From there, navigate to the section labeled Lists. This is where all of your followed and created lists are neatly organized. Next, scroll through and select the specific list you want to share. Whether it's a list of your favorite creators, news updates, or industry insights, you can choose any list you're currently following. Once you're viewing the list, look for the share icon. It usually appears as an outward arrow, making it easy to spot. Tap on that share icon, and you'll see several options pop up. From the list of sharing methods, go ahead and choose Send via direct message. This will allow you to share the list with someone privately, right inside the X app. At this point, you'll be prompted to select the contact or contacts you want to send the list to. Simply search for their username, or scroll through your connections. Once you've chosen the right person, tap the Send button. Just like that, the list will land directly in their inbox, ready for them to explore. That's all it takes to share a followed list via DM on the X app. It's a simple way to keep your connections updated with interesting content, or to collaborate by sharing resources you both might find useful. Now you know the steps. Open the app, go to your lists, pick the one you want, tap Share, select Direct Message, choose the contact, and send. Give it a try next time you discover a list worth sharing, and make the most out of your experience on X.